Dorken's Delta Vent SA is a high-performance, 3-layer air and water-resistive barrier. Its exclusive self-adhering edge lap ensures a 100% seal every time. It also has the highest vapor perm rating, keeping buildings drier longer. Delta Vent SA is lightweight, tear-resistant, and tough enough to stand up to the demands of your job site. It can be installed onto any common construction substrates. Delta provides these accessories for a simple installation and to ensure an airtight system. Delta Fast Corner, Delta Multiband, Delta Flex Band, Delta Flashing, Delta HF Primer, and Delta Tillax or Delta Than Sealants. A few tools will also help with the installation: a utility knife, measuring tape, hand roller, paint roller, and stapler. Surface preparation is important. Remove all protrusions that could possibly compromise the membrane. Apply Delta HF Primer to the construction substrates. This ensures dust or dirt does not interfere with the proper adhesion of the membrane. At the transition from wall to foundation, install Delta Flashing. In the lower corners of the rough opening, install Delta Fast Corner. Cut Delta Vent SA into a manageable length. Starting at the corner of the building, align the sheet to the substrate. Remove the release liner and press Delta Vent SA firmly into place. Ensure there is proper alignment of the membrane to avoid any wrinkles. With a hand roller, firmly roll the entire membrane surface to ensure proper adhesion. Continue installing until the entire window opening is covered. Make a martini glass cut in the membrane. Then, fold in the membrane around header, sill, and jambs. Install Delta Flashing at the sill. Overlap 2 inches onto the face of the wall to provide sub-sill drainage. Next, install Delta Multiband Gusset at the jamb sill corner to seal the pinhole. Overlap onto the face of the wall to ensure airtightness. It's now time to install the window. Generally, the gap between the window and rough opening should be around ½ an inch. From the interior, install the backer rod around the full perimeter of the window. Install Delta Tillax sealant around the entire perimeter. For flanged windows, install Delta Flashing around the perimeter of the flange at the jambs and head of the window. Cover the fasteners and lap 2 inches onto the face of the wall. Remove the release liner and press Delta Vent SA firmly into place. With a hand roller, firmly roll all membrane surfaces to ensure proper adhesion. Where there is no factory-applied adhesive edge, tape all overlaps in the membrane with Delta Multiband. At overlaps with an integrated adhesive edge, overlap Delta Vent SA by 4 inches. Remove the release liner to expose the adhesive strip and press membrane firmly into place. Install kick-out flashing over the Delta Flashing if required. Delta Vent SA should be cut around penetrations as tightly as possible. Seal gaps between penetrations and substrate with Delta Than or Delta Tillax sealant. Install Delta Flex Band around the penetration. With a fully adhered high-performance air and moisture barrier in place, you have a structure that protects against moisture and keeps occupants comfortable for years to come. For more information or installation questions, contact our technical support team.